Unlock the secret to turning that Visa gift card into Apple Pay magic. First, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually right on your home screen, but you might need to search for it if you've moved it. Now, tap the plus sign in the top right corner. This is how you add a new card to your wallet. You'll see a screen that says Add Card. Choose either to scan a card using your phone's camera or enter card details manually. Scanning is quicker if it works. If you choose to scan, hold your Visa gift card in front of the camera so that it can read the card number and expiration date. If scanning fails, you'll have to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code manually. You can find these details on the gift card. After entering the card information, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions. Scroll through them and then tap Agree to continue. Your card will now be activated. You might need to verify it with the card issuer, depending on the gift card. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once verification is complete, your Visa gift card is now ready to use with Apple Pay.